In this video, I will show you how to pay with Cash App on SHEIN. So to do this, simply go and open up the SHEIN app or website, and from there just add to your cart whatever you want to buy using Cash App. After doing that, head over into your cart and click Checkout Now. Then, if it's your first order, just go and enter your address right here, as well as your personal details, and then click Save. And from there, scroll down, and then under Payment Method, you will be able to find Cash App. So Cash App basically has two options. They have a Pay Now option, which is the one that says Cash App Pay Now. But they also have Afterpay from Cash App, which allows you to make 4 payments, 1 payment every 2 weeks. So just select whichever option you want from Cash App. I'll just select Cash App Pay Now. And then from there, after you also enter these details, you can then click Continue right there. And from there, you can then actually go and pay using your Cash App account. And once you've successfully done that, your order will then be completed. So that's how to pay with Cash App on SHEIN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.